2025 didn't go the way you planned. You know it. Wasted months scrolling, fake promises, endless next Monday excuses. Well, here's the truth. This is your last chance. Winter arc, the 90 days that separate those who build from those who break. If you use these months right, you walk into the new year sharp, focused, and ahead of 99% of people. But if you waste it, you sink deeper. While someone else builds themselves in silence, you're rotting under a blanket. Every winner you admire built themselves when the world was lazy. They didn't start in January, they started in October. That's the difference between dreamers and doers. This isn't a cute challenge. This is war. Every day you're either building yourself or breaking yourself. Every excuse is a step backward. Every skipped workout is a bullet in your own future. The clock is ticking. By the end of winter, two types of people will exist. Those proud of who they became and those drowning in regret. Step 1. Disappear to reappear. You cannot win surrounded by noise. Cut the pointless distractions. Put the phone away. Your so-called friends, they want you stuck in the same loop. Your growth reminds them of their failure. Keep your circle tight. Family and essentials only. Yes, it's lonely. But you know what else is lonely? Waking up broke, unhealthy, and bitter because you never focused when you had the chance. Step 2. Wake up early. The moment your alarm goes off, you're in a fight against yourself. That voice says, stay in bed. It's warm. You crush it by getting up anyway. Waking up at 5 a.m. isn't about discipline. It's about proving to yourself you're not weak. That victory carries through your entire day. Most people hit snooze and lose. You win before breakfast. Step 3. Move your body. Run, train, move. Not for Instagram or selfies, for proof. Proof that every single day you can show up, push yourself, and come out stronger than yesterday. Push-ups, pull-ups, running, squats. That's enough to build a body people respect and one you respect when you look in the mirror. Do them until your muscles burn, until your lungs scream. When life throws punches later, you'll take them because you've already conditioned yourself to thrive under pressure. Step 4. Read and learn. Your competition isn't Netflix. It's not social media. It's the guy right now reading, learning, and applying knowledge while you're scrolling. Sharpen your brain. Read books on strategy, psychology, leadership, business. Don't just read, take notes. Apply what you learn. Every page is one more edge over people wasting their nights on garbage. A year from now, their brains will be fried from short clips and memes. Yours will be sharper, faster, and more dangerous. Step 5. Plan and execute. Every night before bed, write down tomorrow. Specific. Your workout, your top 3 priorities, your study blocks, winner's plan. They wake with direction. They don't waste mental energy deciding what to do. They just execute. Losers wing it. That's why they're always tired, always broke, always frustrated. A plan kills hesitation. A plan protects your energy. A plan separates those who live from those who just survive. Step 6. Reflect and refine. Before sleep, write your to-do list for tomorrow. This closes the day with clarity and prepares you to start strong. Track what works. Adjust what doesn't. The final challenge. So here's your choice. Comfort or growth. Laziness or discipline. Wasted days or the winter arc that changes your future. Tonight, write down tomorrow. Do this every night for 90 days. Watch how much sharper and more focused you become. That's the small habit that separates people who build their future from people who watch it slip away. This winter doesn't make or break you, but it does reveal you. It reveals who you actually are when no one's watching. The one who commits or the one who quits. The choice is yours. No excuses, no waiting, no mercy. Winter arc starts now.